Welcome to PUC second year student. Today let us study the chapter number 3, that is production and cost. In production and cost, the 5 marks question is, that is assignment and project oriented question. In a project oriented question, we have to find out the missing product in the following. Missing product in the following. There are factors are given in this table. The factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 factors are there, and total production is also given, and marginal product MP1 is also given, and average product is given. And the question is, where the gap is there, fill the gap with the appropriate numbers. There are 5 factors or 6 factors are given. It is factors 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors, and the total production is 0, 10, 24, 40, dash 57. Where the dash is, there they fill the gap, and there is a marginal production is given 0, dash 16, 10, 6, 1, and it is a average product 1. Average AP means average product 0, 10, 12, 13.13 and dash and 12.2 and 9.5. In this regard, you have to find out the missing numbers. You have to find out the missing numbers. Only the question is given in the accordance with the marginal product and average product and total product. We have to find out the MP and TP and the AP. TP means total production, MP means marginal production, AP means average productions. In this TP, you have to fill the gap, and there is 2 gaps are there. You have to fill these 2 gaps, and there is a average product, there is 1 gap. You have to fill the gap. You see, first of all, the factor 1 is total production is 0 and marginal production is 0 and total average production is also 0. There is no marginal product and there is no total product and there is no average product. If factor 1, the total production is 10, the total production is 10 and the marginal production is also 10. Marginal production is also 10. It is 10. And average production is also 10. How the marginal production? Only the total production is 10, the marginal is 10 and average is also 10. It is the fill the gap. It is 10. And second, there are 2 factors and total production is 24, and we have to find out the marginal product. How to marginal product? You have to think, you have already filled the gap. The marginal production is 10, and you have to fill the gap in second factors. There is a total production is 24, and what will be the marginal product? The marginal product, how to find out the marginal product? You see the difference is between total product 10 and 24. How much is increased or how much is the difference between the total product? Or you can subtract the 10 from the 24. 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. How much? It is 14. How much gap? 24 minus 20 is equal to 40. And average product is 12. How the average product is 12? The 2 divided by 24. Average product is 12. Average product is 12. And there is the total product is 40 and marginal product is 16. How the 16 is the 40 minus 24 is equal to 60. And average product is the 40 divided by 3 is equal to 33.33. And you fill the gap in this gap. How the 10 is marginal product. How the 10 is will be. The 10 will be, there is how much increase. How much gets the numbers? It is 50. 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. It is the 50. Gap will failed. And how much the marginal product is 6. The 6 is from how much it is? 56. It is 56. 56 minus 50 is equal to 6. 56 minus 60 is equal to 6. And how much the marginal product is 1? The 1 is from total product is 57 minus 56 is equal to 1. This is for marginal product. You have to find out like this. And how much it is? The average production is it is divided by 4. 50 divided by 4 is equal to 50 divided by 4 is equal to 12.5. 12.5. This is the fill the gap. This is for 5 marks. You have to find out like this. You have to find out like this. This is the question is assignment and project oriented question. It is for 5 marks. Find the missing product in the following. There are factors are given and total production is given and the marginal production is given and the average production is given. Only your answer is to fill the gap. Where the gap is, there fill the numbers by the subtracting or averaging. You have to like this. You have to fill the like this. How to find out the marginal product and how to find out the average product and how to find out the total product. So you have to learn how to find out the total product and the marginal product and the average product. If you have this knowledge, you will gain the 5 marks. You will gain the 5 marks. So you have to take one more example or a number of examples. You may be solved at home. So you have to practice like this. This question will be comes in examinations. So you have to study well and don't forget to subscribe my channels. I request you all. I hope you all the best of you. Best of luck and subscribe my channels. Thank you.